So how can you keep your job when AI is already starting to change the game? If you want to learn more, just keep on watching. So I've been a freelancer now for over 10 years. For that span of time, nakita ko talaga kung paano nag-change ang online work landscape. So from before, when I started 2012, that time, wala pa talaga masyadong nag-online. Hindi pa masyadong kilala yung work na virtual assistant. Kung meron man before, like few people lang yung nakakaalam and few people lang din also ang nag-work as a virtual assistant. Even me before, when I started, I really don't know that it's really a legit job or just took a leap. And then thankfully, yung first ko na client was a very, very good person din na hindi ako na-scam. You know what I mean? After that time, nag-boom talaga ng sobra ang work from home or yung freelancing nung pandemic era. During the pandemic era kasi, most of the people are really looking for online work. Kasi di ba nagla-lockdown lahat and walang pinapalabas sa bahay, maraming na-layoff, maraming nawala ng trabaho. And hindi naman tayo pwedeng walang trabaho, di ba? So a lot of people are really looking for online opportunities na makapag-work sila kahit nasa bahay lang sila. So I think that is also the main reason why na ang dali kong na-monetize sa YouTube channel ko because that time nagpo-push talaga ako ng mga freelancing content for aspiring and newbie freelancers. So thank you so much kung isa ka doon sa pandemic era na nag-watch ng mga videos ko. Please comment down below and I would be so happy to see na up until now you are still watching my videos. Like, oh, thank you so much. So ngayon na sobrang dami na nang gumagawa ng content when it comes to freelancing, when it comes to virtual assistants, project management, social media management, bookkeeping, in the tech industry. Like, I'm so happy na we have a lot of resources na, di ba? Pero ngayon, iba na. Iba na yung process natin, iba na yung system natin kasi andito na tayo sa artificial intelligence era where most of the tasks sa mga freelancers, especially sa mga virtual assistants, like nagagawa na siya ng mga AI. Though, totoo, hindi pa lahat nagagawa ni AI, pero hindi natin alam kung ano pa yung mas kaya niyang ibigay or kayang i-deliver ni AI pagdating ng panahon. And one thing that I'm just so sure sa ngayon, we have to keep up to stay in the game. Yes. And of course, we don't want na papalit ang AI sa atin, diba? As you can see ha, meron na tayong nakikita ngayon sa social media na a video wherein a person is talking pero hindi naman talaga siya nag-film nung video na yon. Pero siya talaga yung nagto-talk sa video, right? It's so amazing. And even nakaka-generate ang mga AI in just less than a second ng mga photos, any image that we want, mga videos, voice, even mga codes, etc. With just a simple prompt. Magbibigay ka lang ng prompt, i-generate niya na everything para sa'yo, diba? So, if you are going to think of it, like in just a very short span of time, ganyan na yung pwedeng mabigay ni AI sa'yo. How come sa darating pa na next 5 years, next 10 years? We don't want na that time, wala na tayong work, diba? So, what I would say is that be the person who knows how to maximize AI tools. So, yan yung gagawin natin and we will learn together. So, if you want to learn how to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I'll be giving you a lot of AI content and I will even invite other content creators na nagfo-focus din sa AI para mas matuto tayo ng marami pang strategies on how we can maximize AI sa benefit ng business mo as a freelancer and as well as business ni client. Para matuto din tayo sa mga ginagawa nila and we can get other ideas on how we can do things much faster and with quality. So, now, let's dive in. Yes, intro pa lang yun guys. Intro pa lang yun. Dito na tayo sa body. So, the first thing that we need to do is that we must understand what is AI, when to use AI, how it works, and how to use it. I'm gonna answer first, what is AI and how does it work? I've already made a video about something like that dito. I've already explained how does it work, what is AI, but for this video, I'm gonna wrap it up very short way of definition. AI or artificial intelligence is simply a program, but it's not a normal kind of program. Hindi siya typical lang na sumusunod ng fixed set of instructions. It's something like more on dynamic and more complex kind of program because it's kind of like us human beings na it learns and adapt from the data, input, information, or experience na binigay natin sa kanya. And with that being said, ang daming types of AI. But sa video na to, we are just going to focus more on sa generative AI since marami tayong benefits when it comes to using generative AIs. Ang generative AIs, ito yung sinabi ko kanina na mag-reproduce or mag-give ng output na text, image, pwedeng captions, even articles, pwedeng voice, even videos, and computer programs as what I have said earlier. If meron na tayong idea, ano talaga yung AI, ano talaga yung tool na gusto natin gamitin, paano siya gagamitin, when siya gagamitin. So the next step is that we must use AI in order for us to implement what we have learned. And the more kasi we implement kung ano yung natutunan natin, mas marami tayong mga realizations. Oh, ganito pala yung result if this is how I set up my AI. Oh, ito pala yung result if this is the prompt that I'm going to use. So if you are a freelancer, you can start learning how to use it depending on your niche. So for example, if you are a virtual assistant, you can start learning to ask AI to create emails for you, make your grammar better, or to organize your inbox, or to create appointments para sa'yo sa Google Calendar. And you can ask AI to do smart tagging for you and many more. And if you are also a social media manager naman, you can ask AI to help you when it comes to creating captions, give you idea on how you are going to optimize client's profile. You can ask AI to help you analyze the analytics report mo. You can ask AI to do content calendar for you or content strategy for you. You can even ask AI to create a response automation for you. So if you are also a video editor, you can also ask AI on how you are going to edit in a shorter time. Kasi we all know that editing is really another game kasi sobrang time consuming talaga when it comes to editing, no? So AI can help you make a whole transcript sa video. AI can also detect dead airs, and AI can even help you convert text into voice. So, di ba? Ang dami talagang ways on how we can maximize AI so that we can be better sa trabaho natin and we can be more efficient sa process natin. Take note what works, what didn't work, so that the third thing, we can now master it. We should master using a specific AI tool. Kung gusto nating maging niche lang sa isang AI, we have to master it talaga. But don't worry guys, kasi sa next video natin, I'm going to share with you tools on how you are going to maximize it. Like literally the step-by-step process on how you are going to maximize a specific tool in order for you to become better at your work. Okay? Yung maituturo ko sa inyo, it's just the basic, but I want you to explore more so that you can see how it works more pa talaga. Because that is the only way we can master things if you are going to spend time exploring a specific tool. If you still don't know, this video is part sa blog natin sa website. So if you want to check out the blog version of this video, you can click the link below. So bosses, I really hope that you get value from this video. I'm so excited to deep dive into AI with you. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Don't forget to comment below kung ano pa yung mga gustong matutunan nyo when it comes to freelancing, when it comes to AI, social media, virtual assistants, and everything. And yeah, please don't forget to follow us sa Facebook page natin at BossaPH. If you have any questions when it comes to freelancing, you can always message us there and we will try our best to reply to you as soon as possible. And yeah, follow us as well on our Instagram accounts at Bricksuy and at BossaPH. Please also follow me sa LinkedIn at Bricksuy and at BossaPH. And kung gusto niyo ng mga for the char lang ng mga content, you can also follow me sa TikTok account at Bricksuy. And yeah, hope to see you sa kahit anong platforms na mas preferred nyo. Hope to see you on my next one. Bye!